I forgot to take a picture of this rug. It's hanging over here. It's so big, but I forgot to take a picture of it before I started, but it's already got some pet treatment on it and a little bit of water. But you can definitely see sometimes these rugs, the way they're made, they can look like they have wear patterns already. You can see it looks like it has stripes and all kinds of like scratch marks, but that's part of the pattern. And this is actually two rugs that have been seamed together, possibly two pieces of carpet that were seamed together and bound on the edges, which is very possible. But anyway, the last one from this customer was extremely dirty, so I'll take you around and let you see that one. Excuse the mess. But this thing is huge. It actually is taking up 3 of the racks. Look at that. Had to do it that way because it was too long. Here you go, Corey. I don't know if it's going to pick this up, but this side's the really bad side. Camera's really not picking it up, but that is chocolate milk. All right, here they are. They're drying. We did the same thing with this one. Got a big space here. Normally they hang down just right over the one rack here, but these are pretty long. Now it's time to finish this one and clean this rug pit.